Hi everybody, time for this week's leadership truth, which is show your face. Show your face. Recently I was on a WestJet flight from Calgary to Toronto, and CEO of WestJet, Ed Sims, was on that flight, and he was down the aisles pouring coffee, chatting to passengers, and looked like he was having a great old time. And also his colleagues, flight attendant colleagues, looked like they were having a lot of fun with him too that day. And I posted that on my LinkedIn page, and I was flooded with comments about Ed being there, and overwhelmingly, like I would say 95% of the comments were about the fact that it's so great to see senior leaders coming down and being involved, like getting right down into the front lines and connecting with customers. And so it's a great reminder for all of us to do that. One of my clients last year, one of the highlights of his year last year was going around and actually working with members of the frontline team. He could really see what they were dealing with on a day-to-day basis. So as you get further and further along in your career and higher up the ladder, so to speak, make sure that you're taking the time to step off of that and go back into the front line to really make sure you're connected to what's going on with your customers, with your clients, and with your colleagues that are working in different aspects and layers of the organization. It's very easy to get sucked into back-to-back meetings. I see it all the time with myself and with the clients that I work with. But there is huge value in getting reconnected to what's actually happening at the grassroots level. So my challenge for you this week is to think about where can you go and put your face in your organization that you haven't been. And for those of you that are not senior and you're thinking, well, this doesn't apply to me, I would think about how can you get into somebody else's department, go and learn something else about the business, broaden your horizon, showing your face. It's really important. Okay, thanks so much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you again next week, where I'll be doing another leadership truth on Tuesday. It'll drop into our social channels, and I will be back on Friday to discuss it with you. Thanks so much, and keep sharing, and love all your comments. Thank you.